The bottom line is the solution for inflation in the USA has become just buy gold. And that's a really bad retirement plan. It's bad on its own level because it produces no income. Any retirement asset that you have, you should not have to sell the asset completely. You would hopefully have some stocks with some dividends or some real estate with some rent. You would hope to not have to eat the nest egg to survive one more day. Real estate, in my opinion, is that solution. The problem is it doesn't pay you as you go along. And the reason real estate is so magical when it comes to protecting against inflation comes down to two fundamental relationships. I've lived inflation when I was young, so I knew this was a problem, and I've experienced it in my own life in a way that most Americans have not. I'm going to try my best to help everyone see why real estate works so well as an inflation hedge and a retirement asset in inflationary times. It comes down to two relationships. Number one, your mortgage balance versus your property value. How much I owe versus how much it's worth. Okay? And the second relationship is your mortgage payment versus what is current market rent. How much I have to pay to hold on to the asset versus how much does someone else have to pay to live in the asset. Those two relationships really matter when it comes down to why would I maybe consider having a piece of real estate to help me with inflation. If inflation's coming, why would I consider buying some real estate that I might not have considered before this call? Real estate, not gold. Real estate goes up in value with inflation. Mortgages go down over time. All right, your mortgage balance will go down over time, but the value of your property is going to go up with inflation. It's going to pay bills the whole time, where gold only pays you if you sell it, and it's effectively only worth what the dollar would have been worth had you held it in gold. So it keeps up with inflation, but it does not pay you the whole time. Real estate pays you the whole time while the asset goes up, while the cash flow goes up. That's what we really want from a retirement asset. We don't just want something that's going to sit there under our bed and only be worth what we paid for it in 15, 20 years. That's what gold does. We want something that's going to pay us the whole time and keep up with inflation and maybe even do us a little bit better. If you enjoyed that clip, it's actually a small piece of a 27-minute long video, which was actually a small piece of an hour and 10-minute long video on this topic. If you want to see the full video, feel free to click on the link below.